Hey credit cousins, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another banger video. In today's video, I'm going to cover how to get an instant huge credit increase from Chase Bank with no hard inquiry involved within seconds. Yes, Chase. I even did this hack myself for all of you to watch so you can also get in on this free easy credit limit increase from Chase. So credit cousins, grab a pen and let's get into these steps. So I have a Chase Freedom card. It was actually one of my first credit cards I had gotten a while back during my credit building process, but I never requested a credit increase due to it being a hard pull, and I had to call in, and I wasn't risking a hard pull for a credit increase when I had Navy Federal who was approving me for a $25,000 plus credit limit, and credit increases are soft pull at Navy. So I was just in the bed with Navy Federal. So I let this credit card sit on the back burner for a while, and I just had a subscription bill billed to it monthly to keep it active, right? So it won't close. Well, today I actually opened the Chase app and decided to request a credit limit increase for the hell of it, and to the surprise, things went a little different. So let me walk you through it. First, I opened the Chase app, and you want to pick your credit card account. If you have multiple, you want to pick that credit card that you want to request a credit limit increase for. Then you want to scroll down to manage account, where you can access tools and service for your account. Next, you want to go to the third option on the screen where it says request a credit limit increase. Then you should see in the big letters something like you're pre-approved for X amount of dollars. Mine was the same amount of my current credit limit, so it basically doubled. You can see here, and you can also see in the small print where it says, don't worry, there's no credit check when you request a credit limit increase for a pre-approved card. Now, I'm not sure on the pre-approved card part because this is my current card, but I did see on the main screen where they were telling me that I'm pre-approved for the Sapphire and the Freedom Unlimited credit card, which are great cards, by the way. So if you do see something like that on your screen, this may also mean you can get a instant credit limit increase since they already screened your credit for a new credit card. So basically, some lenders actually pull your credit in a soft pull every 30 to 90 days or even 6 months, and then they'll send you offers. That's how you get offers in the mail when someone soft pull your credit, and they send you offers in the mail. So I think this is what Chase was doing. So this is why you can get a credit increase on your current credit card. So next, you want to fill out your total gross annual income and monthly mortgage or rent. Now, please be truthful and don't over exaggerate, okay? It won't change your current pre-approved credit limit if you have one. Now, after that, you want to click submit, and your credit increase will automatically increase instantly. Man, I was so shocked. I was like, wow, this is even better than Navy Federal.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Right? Instantly. Now, the update on your credit card should take 24 hours to reflect in your app, right? And you should always allow the credit bureaus to take 15 to 30 days to update on their end with the credit increase so that it can improve your credit score. Now, that's indeed about an 8 to 10 point increase depending on your amount on your credit card. Now, wasn't that simple, easy, and fast? I would definitely check back with you guys 30 to 60 days to see if this could be done monthly or bi-monthly. And I'll be sure to update you all credit cousins with these updates, because if Chase is being very generous by offering credit limit increases frequently with no hard pull, and it's very easy to do so within the app without calling, this could be a game changer to your credit card at Chase. Also, I wanted to mention that my credit profile is also locked, but it's not frozen, and this is still working. So that's just the FYI if anyone is wondering if this will work while your credit is locked. I believe so, as I was pre-approved for this limit while it was locked. Now I hope this video was easy to dissect and follow. Please let me know if you were able to increase your Trace credit card the same way after watching this video, and let me know your data points and your results in the comment section below. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and find the link in the description box and pin comments to join the private group Credit Cousins. This group is for you to keep up with more like-minded credit cousins, and we talk about credit tips, tricks, and approvals and credit increases and all types of stuff in the group. So make sure you join the group in the pinned comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.